Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make your improvisation more interesting by playing some of the notes short and some of them long. I'll show you what I mean. As you saw, I played some of the notes short and I played some of the notes longer, and this gives a nice contrast in your improvisation. If you play every note the same, like also I'm playing more notes and I'm playing everything in the same timing, but you get what I mean. It sounds more boring. If you vary in the how long you play the notes, it makes it more interesting. So I hope you could learn something from this lesson. Have a good day.